Your business website is an invaluable tool. It can help you reach more people, close the decision gap, and even convert visitors to customers. Just like any tool, websites need regular maintenance. For a business owner with a busy schedule, this can be one task that's all too easy to ignore. But when it comes to websites, a bit of prevention can prevent a lot of headaches. Here are 4 reasons to hire a WordPress maintenance company for your website. 1. Regular security updates. Your business website is the digital equivalent of your physical store, shop, or office. While it's intended to attract as many people as possible, not all these people will have good intentions. The internet is filled with bad actors, and sooner or later these shady characters will try to break into your website. There are a variety of reasons someone would want to hack your website. The easiest way for a bad party to get access to your site is through an unpatched security vulnerability, which can occur if your WordPress themes or framework are not updated regularly. With regular WordPress maintenance, your website will stay up to date and ready for any attacks. 2. Website backups. Without a website backup, you'll need to start your site over again from scratch. Thankfully, getting your site up and online is really easy if you have a recent website backup. When you pay for WordPress maintenance, you can rest assured that even if something should happen to your website, you'll be back online in no time. 3. Website performance checks. Having a website is a business bare minimum these days. Thanks to a recent Google algorithm update, search engines no longer are looking for just the best answer to a search query, but also the best experience to get to the answer. This can mean a variety of things from page speed to reducing intrusive pop-ups and much more. By enlisting help for your WordPress website maintenance, you can ensure your website is following the current best practices and will continue to be suggested by Google and other search engines. 4. Uptime monitoring. A website that is not visible or up is not going to help your business. It can lower your business credibility, frustrate your customers, and lead to missed opportunities. A good WordPress website maintenance package will include uptime monitoring to help you keep your website live online, as well as help you decide when it may be time to change hosting companies or other providers if their services no longer meet your needs. Ready to reduce your website to-do list with WordPress website maintenance? Check out our WordPress website maintenance packages or contact us today.